When the roar of the saw echoes across the forest, it's more than just a sound. It's a call to witness the power of technology meeting the age-old craft of forestry. These mighty machines aren't just tools. They are marvels of engineering, shaping the world while honoring nature's legacy. Centuries of history tumble down as this ancient cedar falls. It's more than just timber. It's a living testament to time, now transforming under the skillful hands of the logger. The precision of every cut pays homage to the forest, showing respect for the life that once stood tall.
On that side anyways. Okay.
Logging is a job for the pros. Just look at this guy. He's pushing himself to the limit. It's seriously dangerous stuff, not for the faint-hearted. This is the kind of risk you don't want to take on your own.
You all right?
The Valmet 843 moves with purpose, its wheels gripping the forest floor as if it owns the terrain. The operator's hands guide it like an artist with a brush, painting each turn and climb with precision. It's a machine that turns wild landscapes into navigable paths where skill meets technology. The Carlton 6016 doesn't just grind stumps, it conquers them. With relentless force, it bites into the toughest roots, turning hours of labor into minutes of work. It's a testament to modern engineering, a compact powerhouse that transforms the impossible into the routine. In New Zealand, forestry is more than an industry. It's a legacy. Giant machines now continue the work that once relied solely on muscle and determination. The air is filled with the scent of freshly cut timber, and the rumble of logging trucks echoes history in motion, bridging the past and future. The Hypro FG45FA cuts with the finesse of a master. This tree shear, fully automated and built tough, makes logging look like an art form. Its versatility shines in both the dense forests and urban jungles, proving that precision and power can go hand in hand in the pursuit of forestry. This truck is an absolute beast, and its power is just off the charts. Watching these guys push it to the edge is nothing short of thrilling. Every moment is packed with heart-pounding excitement. The Fendeuse 80 doesn't just split logs, it dominates them. With 80 tons of force, it turns even the largest timber into manageable pieces. Yet, it's not just brute strength, it's control and precision, a hydraulic symphony where every movement is deliberate and powerful. The Menzimux brush mulcher tackles tough terrain like a true maestro, turning palm trees into mulch with effortless grace. It's not just about clearing land, it's about mastering it. Each move is calculated, each task a demonstration of efficiency that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Branches fall and wood chips fly as the woodpecker RP300 devours anything in its path. Its hydraulic feeding system works like clockwork, turning stubborn timber into fine mulch. It's built for those who demand efficiency without compromise, making heavy work look easy. Timber-laden trains wind their way through the woods, a scene that speaks of both history and progress. Modern rail transport reduces highway congestion and lowers fuel consumption, making it a smart choice for the future while carrying the essence of the forest with every load. The M1070 isn't just a truck, it's a heavyweight champion. With its C-channel frame and military-grade suspension, it hauls massive logs across rough terrain like a titan. It's built to handle the extremes, proving that logging isn't just about power, it's about toughness and dependability.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Meber VTZ 1400 Plus is no ordinary sawmill. With a 56-inch blade and the ability to tilt at 19 degrees, it slices through logs with surgical precision. Every cut is a nod to the craftsmanship that values not just speed, but the quality of each piece, treating wood like the art it is. With determination and skill, she wields her chainsaw with the confidence of a true craftsman. Logging isn't about gender. It's about strength, precision, and mastery of the craft. Her every movement is fluid and purposeful, proving that the forest belongs to those who know how to respect it. Hauling massive timber on narrow, twisting roads is a challenge that only the best can handle. It's not just about strength, but about precision, where every turn must be calculated with care. Watching these drivers is witnessing a test of skill that few can master, where experience truly makes the difference. Forestry is where tradition meets technology, where the raw power of machines complements the skill of those who operate them. It's a craft passed down through generations, evolving with each innovation, but always grounded in respect for the land. Logging is more than just cutting wood. It's shaping a legacy.